Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the city of Breukelen, located in the province of Utrecht and famous for its American offspring, Breukelen. This is the way us Dutchies say Breukelen. Breukelen. As you can hear, I drop the N at the end of the word, and this is common. Breukelen. There is also a light emphasis on the first part. Breukelen. 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 So yes, you can say it with the N, but more common is without it. Breukelen. Breukelen does not look like Brooklyn. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!